dejas fuera. Vale.
Hey, points are important. Keep fighting until the end. Points are important. Come on.
This is the work now. Okay, yeah? Vale? If anybody is not ready.
We have to play defense. It's not over the game. It's not over the game. It's not over the game.
Tienes que ir duro. Desde aquí se ve una autopista, por favor. Duro en el bloqueo y a ver qué pasa.
No foul on 3 points. No foul on 3. We switch only all scrims. Only all scrims. Surprised about the intensity or what? You're surprised.
Bosic, sácalo en un sin pick and roll.
Está bien, vamos.
Escucha, sácalo lejos, lógica. Un tío más grande como tú. Es una cuestión de hacer las cosas con sentido. Shots, no speed turnovers, keep dribbling. No queremos botar tanto. Queremos subir, pasarla y dar pase o rock.
We are going to do a good defense.
Confident, guys. Confident.
No.